Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we'll open up the tailgate. And up here, you'll find your striker bolt. There's one on each side. And to remove it, it requires a T45 Torx bit and a socket. You're gonna want a good long ratchet, or maybe a ratchet with a pipe on it or something like that, because these are usually really tight. And maybe not in this case. This one actually is looser than I expected. These are usually quite tight though. So we'll go ahead and spin it right out. All right, where this truck is still new, it has this bolt inside. It's a captured nut. I shouldn't say a bolt, it's a captured nut really. And it allows the nut to move around so you can actually adjust this and get your tailgate aligned properly. So we're gonna take this, slide it right back in, and thread it in lightly. And what you want to do with the existing one, if you're reusing it, or a new one, is just line it up with the mark, and that way you know it's in the right spot. The other option, if you have like a newly painted vehicle or something like that, then you'll have to play with it in and out to get it adjusted properly. But for us, we're just going to line it up with the previous spot and tighten it up. There we are.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.